Okay, so I'm going to show you how to connect your Microsoft PC to your Android phone using PhoneLink. PhoneLink is already on Windows. Just go to the search box, type in PhoneLink, open it, and we'll open the program. So I'm already connected, but I'm going to show you how to find it on your phone. And can add your PC from your phone. So this is my phone. So you see I can interact with it. So all you have to do is obviously go to settings. Then you see connected devices. Link to Windows. So enable that and click on it. So this is my computer. B450 is my computer's name. Click on that or add or whatever. And then I'm connected there on my computer, but if you want to add your computer device, add computer, put this link into a browser, and this will actually open the PhoneLink app, and then you just follow the prompts to I think there's a lot of login. It's like you have to log into your Microsoft account again and type in a security key that they give you, all that stuff. And once that's done, then yeah, your phone will be connected and you can actually see your phone screen and you can work on your phone. This is pretty cool. And yeah, you can actually access your messages here, photos, apps. You can drag files straight from your phone, say in your gallery, drag it over to your computer. So instant copy. Yeah, it's a pretty handy tool. That's if you want to use a Microsoft product. Okay, that's it.